Are you looking for the top 5 best mirrorless cameras under $1,000? Everyone thinks the best-selling mirrorless cameras are automatically the best ones, but is that really true? The truth is, when you dig a little deeper, there are some hidden gems that offer amazing value without breaking the bank.
Product number 1. Kodak PixPro AZ405. The Kodak PixPro AZ405 caught my eye with its impressive 40x optical zoom and friendly price tag of just $249. If you want a powerful camera for capturing distant subjects without sacrificing quality, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 40x optical zoom lets you bring faraway subjects into sharp focus. Imagine being able to get a clear shot of a bird in flight or a performer on stage from the back of the crowd. The 20MP sensor captures vibrant images that look great whether you're sharing on social media or printing them out for your wall. Plus, the built-in optical image stabilization means you can shoot at full zoom without worrying about shaky hands ruining your shot. Now, some users mention that the camera can feel a bit bulky for some, especially if you're used to smaller point-and-shoot models. Here's the thing though, if you need that zoom power and image clarity, the slight extra weight is a fair trade-off for the quality you get. This is perfect for you if you're into wildlife photography or need a reliable option for family events. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact and lightweight for everyday carry. At this
Product number 2. Ordro G730. Next up is the Ordro G730, retailing for just $199.99. What grabbed my attention here is its compact design combined with a 12x optical zoom, making it a solid pick for vlogging or casual photography. If you want a budget-friendly camera that's easy to carry around and still performs well, this one is worth considering. The G730 features an 8.0 megapixel sensor that captures sharp images, even in tricky lighting. That's crucial when you want to snap a quick picture during a sunset or an indoor gathering. Plus, the 12x optical zoom means you can get up close without losing quality, which is perfect for capturing those candid moments. The vari-angle touchscreen is another highlight, letting you easily frame your shots from different angles. 15 creative filters also give you the flexibility to enhance your photos on the go. However, some users reported that the image stabilization isn't as strong as they hoped, which can lead to shaky video if you're moving around a lot. But honestly, if you're using this mainly for vlogging, just remember to keep it steady, and it should serve you well. This camera is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to improve your photography skills without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need advanced features or professional level image quality. For the price, it's a fantastic entry-level choice. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even.
Product number 3. Canon EOS Rebel T7. Now, let's talk about the Canon EOS Rebel T7, which is a bit pricier but worth considering as it comes with a double zoom lens kit. It's designed for beginner photographers and is priced around $499.99. If you're serious about stepping up your photography game, this is worth a serious look. The 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor captures stunning images with great detail, and the built-in Wi-Fi lets you share your photos effortlessly. What's great about this camera is its dual pixel autofocus system, which is super reliable for getting sharp focus on your subjects, especially important for portraits. With full HD video capabilities, you can also capture high-quality videos, making it a great all-around choice. However, some users found the camera a bit bulky compared to other mirrorless options, which can make it less portable for everyday use. But here's the thing, if you're focused on getting great shots and don't mind the extra weight, this camera will deliver on quality. This is perfect for you if you're looking to grow your photography skills and want something with interchangeable lenses. Skip this one if you need something ultra-compact for travel. For the value you get with the lenses included, it's really hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for something with even more features and advanced capabilities, the next camera on my list might catch your eye.
Product number 4. Sony Alpha A7 III. The Sony Alpha A7 III is often raved about in photography circles, and for good reason. While the price isn't specified here, it's typically around $998, just under our $1,000 mark. This camera is a fantastic option if you want to dive into full-frame photography without breaking the bank. The 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor provides incredible image quality, especially in low light, thanks to its 15-stop dynamic range. Imagine being able to shoot clean, beautiful images even as the sun sets. The 693-point autofocus system is incredibly fast, making sure you never miss a moment, whether you're shooting stills or capturing video at 4K. Plus, the in-body image stabilization keeps your shots steady, which is crucial for handheld shooting. That said, some users mention that the learning curve can be steep for those transitioning from basic cameras. Here's the thing. If you're dedicated to improving your craft, the investment in time and money will pay off in the quality of your work. This is perfect for you if you're serious about photography and want professional-level features without going completely pro. Skip this one if you're looking for something simple and user-friendly. For the features you're getting, it's a steal at this price. To wrap things up, if the high performance of the A7 III appealed to you, the next product might just be the versatile. Product number 5. Kodak PixPro AZ405. Finally, we have the Kodak PixPro AZ405 once again, but let's look at it from a different angle. While it's primarily considered a bridge camera, it's a fantastic choice for someone who needs a camera that's easy to use, but still delivers on quality. Priced at $249, it's an excellent option for those who want a reliable camera without the fuss. What makes this camera special is its 40x optical zoom, which really sets it apart from smartphones. You can easily capture both wide landscapes and intimate close-ups without changing lenses. The 20 megapixel sensor is another highlight, as it ensures your photos are rich in detail and color. Plus, the optical image stabilization is a game changer, helping you avoid blurry shots, particularly in challenging conditions or when you're zoomed in. Some users did mention that the build quality feels a bit plasticky, which can be a letdown for those used to more premium materials. But honestly, if you're looking for a solid camera that gets the job done without a hefty price tag, this is a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward, user-friendly camera for travel or casual photography. So, to recap, we've covered the budget-friendly Kodak PixPro AZ405 with its impressive zoom, the compact and creative Ordro G730, the versatile Canon EOS Rebel T7, the powerful Sony Alpha A7 III, and the user-friendly Kodak again for those who want simplicity. Each has its strengths, so think about what you really need in your photography journey. Happy shooting!